What are you thinking, Waller, coming up to the break with about 30 seconds to go?
Well, New South Wales are way in front of the speed off their defensive line to target. They're racing up.
Oh, there's a big punch up in centre of ground. Nate Miles with a left and a right from Gallen, and they both landed flush. There was a little push and shove, and then Gallen has landed left, right on the face of Nate Miles.
Yes, absolutely.
It was something that happened in the tackle, and then they confronted. There was a bit of push and shove. Oh, Gallen goes into the swinging arm. That's where your start is. That's the trigger. And Nate will get up, and there's now a little push and shove. Here it is, and then watch this. Bang, bang, left, right. This will be interesting, to say the very least. Bang, bang again. Left, right from Gallen. Miles, Nate not expecting that.
First of all, got swinging arm by yourself. That's going to go.